Hey everyone, I recently posted a video about how to take apart plastic phones, and this is a Samsung Galaxy A12. I showed the video with this exact same phone, but I didn't show you how to take out the battery, and that's actually something that you should know how to do, especially for Samsung phones, because it is a little different, I think, compared to some other phones. But I think that it's actually easier to take out Samsung batteries, and if you don't think so, just bear with me, and you'll see why. I think it's better. I think it's easier than a lot of other phones. So in that video, I showed you how to take apart the phone and everything. I'm going to go a little faster in this video since I already have that as a video, so you could just take that link from the description. Make sure to take out your SIM card tray so you can actually take off the back plastic of your phone, and then you can just start. So I have an NFC tag here that I'm using as a tool. So you don't have to get a real tool to take apart any plastic phone, but just make sure you're sticking it into the plastic like that. And then you can roll it through to get it in there correctly. Make sure you're selecting the correct layer, and then you have to take apart these bracket pins, whatever they're called. Had a better word for them in my previous video, but we're gonna go through here, go around the corners. The corners are the hardest part because they have tight pins, whatever they're called, like I said. But you're gonna have to go around those corners like that, and you'll see that there's a space now that has created, and you're gonna have to just break more, but be careful around the power button. And now you should be able to take apart your phone. So here is the Samsung Galaxy A12 inside it. So in this phone here, this phone actually has the power button attached to the back plastic. So we can actually just, well, I accidentally just ripped it off of there, but you can take it off from in here with, where is it? With the tool, you'll take it off from there. I already took it off. Oh wow, this is damaged. Anyway, that wire's a little damaged, but when you're taking apart the battery, you're gonna need to unscrew everything and do all that stuff. So I unscrewed a lot of things ahead of time, but except for this one, I always leave one or two in at all times. So I just unscrew that, take the motherboard protector off. This actually wasn't snapped in correctly, so when it is snapped in correctly, you're not gonna be able to take it off easily, actually. I don't know why it's doing that. Why is it doing that? Oh, okay, yeah, so once it's snapped in correctly, it will be hard to take apart, so you're going to have to push this thing in, and then you'll be able to take it apart like that. So here we have the motherboard, but before you try to take the motherboard apart, you're going to have to unscrew this screw here. So just simply unscrew that. And here we've got the motherboard. We have two little things we got to disconnect. These are actually, you can't really get rid of the battery unless you detach these. So you're gonna have to detach that. I'm gonna take it off the motherboard just so I don't damage it. And you don't need to take the subboard off either. You don't need to take this part at the bottom off. So all you need to do is you get this type of tool, anything that's like this, just this type of tool. And you're gonna have to just go and find a spot where you can fit it under the battery. And so just don't be afraid to damage the battery, because if it's not that sharp, so you're not gonna damage it. But just get it under the battery and break the adhesive. Now it was easier for me this time because I've done it before. But don't be afraid to be a little bit rough with it as you're breaking the adhesive, because it's very strong adhesive and you're gonna have to break it. You're not gonna damage your battery. Don't worry about anything like that. But for me, what it was kind of like was I had to go like this, wiggle it around a lot before it actually broke the adhesive, kind of push it in some spots, and then just break it through. And in other phones, you have to do things like screwing it in and like doing all sorts of other things, and I just think it's a lot easier to just break the adhesive, in my opinion. So once you put in your new battery, you're going to put your motherboard back in and connect everything that you need to connect. So just simply connect all this stuff that was connected before. And then once you have that, you can put the main motherboard protector back on, but make sure that you screw in the actual motherboard first. I'm just going to connect this piece back up again. Actually, I'm just going to fix this wire real quick. So, alright, I managed to fix it without any damage. And so once you fix your line like that, you're going to just connect it back over here. Actually, I didn't fix it that time. Now I fixed it. Okay, so we connect this back over here. And now we can just snap our phone, our back plastic back on. Hold on. Alright, so just snap it. Make sure everything's all tight. You can put your SIM card tray back in. And that is how you take apart the battery. So I hope this helped you. If it did, please consider subscribing to my channel. And hopefully you will, hope you learned something from this. I hope you learned how to take apart your battery, maybe save some money on a battery replacement when you can just buy the battery yourself without having to pay a phone repair technician. And if that helped, just give it a like and comment if you have any questions.